In this video, you will learn how to quickly and independently make a permanent change to a worker's salary in a payroll project on Workforce OS. With Workforce OS, permanently updating salaries is now easier than ever. You can decide whether the change takes effect today, in the future, or even retroactively. The system ensures that saved changes are applied immediately, providing complete visibility into worker compensation. It's entirely self-service, allowing you to manage changes whenever it suits your business needs. Go to the Payroll section in the main menu. Select your project and click Salary Updates. Here, you'll see all active workers within the selected project. Click on the worker whose salary you want to update. Click the Salary section in the left sidebar that opened. Hover over the Salary section and click the Edit icon. Now, update the salary amount. Switch the toggle to make this change permanent. Choose the start date and whether it should apply retroactively. Once you're done, click Save. The changes will take effect in the selected payroll cycle and all future ones. No delays. Your update is now reflected, giving you full transparency and control over worker compensation without waiting for support. Thanks for watching.